to use skincare products and layer them when using a sunscreen? Hi, I'm Dr. Radhika Kopikar, dermatologist and medical head, Kopikar Dermatology Skin Hair Laser Clinic in Mumbai. And today our topic is how to layer other skincare products when using a sunscreen. Wearing a sunscreen is skincare law. It is also the most important anti-aging product in your skincare regime. However, many of us tend to lean upon the SPF in foundations, creams and cover-ups and try to avoid and skip out on the product which we actually call as sunscreen. Many women do not apply enough makeup to actually get the SPF indicated on the product. If you apply a lot of makeup, then it's okay, but it practically doesn't happen. Applying a layer of actual sunscreen is your safest bet. Many say that sunscreens are heavy, they feel oily on the skin and they leave a whitish cast on the face, but there are so many invisible, quick absorbing, lightweight, matte finish sunscreens now available in the market that these excuses are no more a concern. First and foremost, you should know that there are two different types of sunscreens, physical and chemical. And the type of sunscreen you use makes a big difference in the layering process. A chemical sunscreen is absorbed into the skin, then it absorbs the UV rays, converts it into heat energy and releases it from the body. The active ingredients in chemical sunscreen include octinoxate, avobenzone, oxybenzone apart from the others. Since chemical sunscreens need to be absorbed into the skin, to give its effect, it is best to apply a chemical sunscreen before applying your moisturizer. This way, the SPF gets absorbed into the skin to its maximum limit. Physical sunblock, on the other hand, sits on top of the skin surface and reflects the UV rays outward. The main active ingredients in a physical sunscreen include minerals like titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. Since physical sunscreen sits on top of the skin and works outwards, it is better to apply your moisturizer before applying your sunblock. After this, you can apply your makeup. It is also very important to check the label to see if your sunscreen and makeup products are silicone based or water based. Because if you mix water based products with silicone based products, your makeup may not adhere properly. Using a silicone based primer along with a water based foundation often causes the foundation to slip and separate because there is a silicone barrier which forms and repels the water in the foundation, not allowing it to sit and absorb properly into your skin, leading to unevenness. Therefore, it is best to use all products either silicone based or all of your products being water based. Therefore, choose all water based or all silicone based products. Make sure your sunscreen is fully absorbed before you start applying your makeup. Because if you don't, it could cause your makeup to pile up or slide around.